BenQ's new interactive flat panel boasts a friendly user interface and classroom-ready features to facilitate true collaborative learning. The 4K interactive display comes in a wide range of sizes, ensuring ultimate flexibility for classrooms both big and small. BenQ's new launcher provides teachers with useful, information-packed features, including a CO2 sensor, quick apps access, and personalized widgets. BenQ ensures classrooms can embrace innovation without compromising students' health. To prevent the spread of common infections, BenQ's IFP is protected by a germ-resistant screen that can kill most bacteria and viruses on contact. High concentrations of CO2 can be detrimental to students' focus. The CO2 sensors built into BenQ's IFP can notify teachers when CO2 concentrations are higher than ideal, so that they can take measures to lower them and create an ideal learning environment. Smart eye care technology protects students' developing eyes, allowing them to freely explore and learn. With the embedded motion sensor, the IFP can automatically activate low blue light and flicker-free technology as necessary. BenQ aims to create a collaborative environment where students feel open to discussion and brainstorming. With the EasyWrite 5.0 Cloud Whiteboard, teachers can download teaching materials from their personal cloud. It also supports making notes with dual pens and natural on-screen annotating with brush mode. Finally, sticky notes empower students to share their ideas anytime. Teachers can press the screen with 2 fingers to call up the floating tool for annotating on content from any display source. Moreover, they can capture the screen and select an area to import into EasyWrite, where they can make annotations or erase them as necessary with Palm Eraser. The system also supports handwriting recognition and lets users move text to any part of the screen. Best of all, teachers can save annotated materials directly to their personal cloud. EasyWrite 5.0 provides a wide range of wallpaper templates. Teachers can also import templates they make themselves. Another useful feature is Team Post, which can help teachers host team competitions. All these features can create a more diversified, interactive, and fun class experience. Furthermore, teachers can use the laser pointer and spotlight features on the IFP's new remote control to easily point out items on the display. The InstaQ-Share wireless solution is designed to unleash the power of bring your own device, allowing teachers and students to present their ideas with laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It also supports two-way mirroring, two-way touch, and split screen that allows up to 4 devices to present at the same time, making sure that every student's ideas can be shared and discussed. BenQ's exclusive AMS can help teachers access their cloud storage and cloud office services directly on the IFP. AMS also lets teachers manage their IFP display settings. No matter which classroom they're in, teachers can enjoy the personalized setting they're comfortable with just by logging into the system. IT personnel can categorize and group school IFPs via BenQ's display management website, which then allows them to remotely install IFP apps and manage IFP power settings. The BenQ IFP ensures setup and management are absolutely hassle-free. The product's user-friendly design facilitates a smoother, easier teaching experience. The BenQ Interactive Flat Panel is your ultimate display for collaborative learning.